Hi, good morning, guys. I am back with my another video, and as the title suggested, that urgent and an important message. So yes, this time I'm come with an important message with all of you and with all of for all of us, and this is the issue that we are facing today. It's an highlight of ourselves, that is the rounds in which we got failed while facing interviews in an reputed organization. That round is called group discussion round. So वहाँ हमारे पास चाहे कितनी भी कैपेबिलिटीज़ हों, कहीं ना कहीं आकर हम फेल हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस. So here I am come up with a great solution for it, and so let's quickly know about the solution and the steps that we have to follow to gain that confidence. So as we all know that the world around is constantly changing, and we have to stay updated along with it. As students of this CMA fraternity, all of us know about the importance of securing training in a reputed organizations, and all the reputed organization have that basic filtration round, that is a group discussion, as I said. And many of us that many of the candidates get failed in this level, even though they possess ample amount of knowledge from themselves. But I have a very great solution for this dreadful round. So the solution is that you can join for two mock GDs, two mock group discussions, so that the issues you are facing can be identified, and we can rectify them as well on the same time. So there will be a process for this thing. The process will be, there will be a mock GD, and performance of all the candidates are recorded. तो जो सबसे पहला आपका मॉक ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा, वहाँ पर आपकी जितनी भी परफॉर्मेंसेज हैं वो रिकॉर्ड की जाएंगी. देन द सेकंड स्टेप विल बी, देन देयर विल बी अ वन ऑन वन सेशन फॉर एवरी कैंडिडेट. यानी कि आपका एक वन ऑन वन सेशन होगा हर कैंडिडेट के लिए, एवरी इंडिविजुअल के लिए, जहाँ जो आपकी शॉर्ट कमिंग्स होंगी वो डिस्कस की जाएंगी. योर शॉर्ट कमिंग्स विल बी डिस्कस्ड, एंड द थर्ड स्टेप विल बी इन अ टाइम ऑफ 24 hours. अ टाइम ऑफ 24 hours विल बी गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट टू इम्प्रूव. और फिर जो आपका दूसरा मॉक जीडी है वो कंडक्ट किया जाएगा. सो पूरा एक दिन आप लोगों को मिलेगा टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्व्स, एंड फिर आपका दूसरा जीडी कंडक्ट किया जाएगा. तो इस वे में जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं कैन improve themselves and test where you stand. So hurry up, and the link is in the description box for this process to apply on yourself. And also you can refer my YouTube channel, my name Sakshi Jain, when you will be there on that group discussion, and you can refer my name that you are coming from that channel. So, and I want you all know that the lady behind this whole program is CMA Sirisha ma'am, who is giving this to us, who is giving this to CMA fraternity, and also a big shout out to her. And so go and join it now and accelerate yourself towards a better you. The link is in the description box, guys. Click on it and join it and be a better version of yourselves. Thanks for watching.